Expert.
Why do you have to say expert every time? When you're not even on expert, you're on what? What are you on? Medium.
I'm on hard.
Medium. On hard. Liar. Stop shaking your head to where no one can see. In fact, you're actually maybe in the camera. And then, yeah, now you're in the camera. Get out.
Why am I singing?
Oh shit! I need to stand up.
Oh!
That's what I was doing earlier. I'm honest. Going. You better not be on hard.
I can't.
Star power ready. Okay.
I have star power.
My fingers are off. I can't even hear myself. Wow. I can't even see. Let's go. Why are my fingers so bad? I don't know. I didn't even hit that. What the fuck? Fuck. What the hell? Where's your fault? Why don't you say your text message out loud? 3 seconds. Did you say taco? No.
get one of them. Do it. What are you doing? Stop it. We're gonna fail.
Oh. Your head's probably in the freaking way, you dumb bitch.
Uh-oh.
Maybe not.
We're good.